Hi there, this is a tune for Genevieve and Michael. It is called Genevieve and Michael's Wedding. I'm sorry I was not able to play it for you at your actual wedding. As you recall, there's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of fun, a lot of activity, but here it is now, and it's in the form of an ancient Irish planxty. Genevieve and Michael's Wedding. Again, congratulations and have a great life together.